Yeah. Hi, as I told you, I'm going to demonstrate you the how to access the scholarly academic search engines to get a good review of literature. So here I am going to explain you. So one of the important freely available as what we know is called Google Scholar. Google Scholar's academic search engine. So how you are going to get the results from Google Scholar? First, I will check with that now. For example, I will search for a keyword called Google. Go to Google Scholar and search for a keyword called information retrieval here. Once I click the information retrieval, there are so many articles which are relevant to my topic is getting listed, and I can go with a different ideology called I can refine with timings since 2020, 19, 16, and if you want, you can customize the range also from which year to which year like that. And you want to make it still more relevant, so you can sort by date, and you want to include citations and another part that is also can be done. And if I want to take all those results in a single point, so in which way it can be done? So go to this here. So click on alerts, and you will be getting alerts of the particular keyword and the particular research area, whatever you're looking for. You can create alert for that, and you can do some sort of metric advanced search here like this. Here click on advanced search, and you can give the exact, you want to make your research furthermore defined, and further you want to increase the value of your information retrieval. So click on this all the words, and if you want to give a behavior pattern alone, it's very much important for your research area. If you think like that, then click on behavior pattern is the exact phrase. You can apply some boolean operators here, and wherever the article or in the title of the article alone. And if you are very particular about the particular article, you can go with the authored by, you can go with that. And this you want the articles written by published in the various publisher, that also can given here, and you can give the particular range of date you can give here, and you can give search. You are able to see here all the relevant articles which are all available for your research area. So here you are able to see the relevant articles for your research area. You can create alert to that, and you can make a clear cut observation of the relevant article in your research area. Here, if you want to export all these things, please, here you are able to see here like two double arrows, view as HTML. So here your article is public, your which article which you are looking for is having the overall link here from which this article can be taken out. The article will be displayed here like this. The total abstract of that article can be displayed here in this way. And you want to check the related articles, that is also check here. And what are all the related articles, that also you can click here. And if you want to cite this article, so click on this column, and you are able to see here this article is important article which is relevant to your research area, and I click on the cite column. I want to make it available on APA format. Some universities are following the APA, some universities are following in MLA, and some journals also having their own referencing style. So click on this format here, and that can be exported in which format you want, even if you want it in BibTeX or EndNote like that. So I just put it in BibTeX here. So this is exported in BibTeX format. The article can be exported in BibTeX. This can be directly imported in your reference area. It's very easy one. Clear? But like this, we are able to review our article. So what are relevant article you can search, and you can include in your research area. and it can be included in your reference too, and you can cite this article. And if you go to this quotation column, it clearly tells you in which format you want, in which citation format you want. You will get it, and you can make use of it for your further references. So this is another, this is one of the platform. And many of the times you have another thing called Google Advanced Search, which you should know. If we are all going by using this Google Basic Search, instead of going to Google Basic Search, you can go to Google Advanced Search. This Google Advanced Search is a very much important, like not only for document. If you are looking for any images, you can go with that, and you can search help, you can go with that. There are so many options are available in Google Advanced Search. Once you explore, you will come to know. Here I will mention here like what are all the keywords I am looking for, and what is the exact word I am looking for, and that are ranging from 1 to 1000, like what in which you are, like that as you mentioned here, and in which language I want, that can also I prefer based on the requirement. And what kind of, as I told you, the review of literature can be both international and national. So if you want to take select region based on your topic, you can select the region here, like from India or from, like, you know, from which content you want the article, that you can select India. And you can furthermore refine, can be done by using this option called anywhere in the page, anywhere in the title, like that, and shows results or relevant results alone, or filter explicit results, like you can click here, and which format you want it in PDF or PPT, like that, you can click here, give advanced search. And if you give the advanced search, here you are able to see anytime the all results are appeared here, and click on the results. Okay, here you can include citations, means it will give with a citation, and select the article. It can be saved in your library, and you want to make it, it is based on the citation also, you can include in your articles, and click here. So it will be viewed as HTML format, and you click here, you will get the citation format of this article. It can be directly imported in your Mendeley or reference management tools. So I can select the articles, and it can be added here. I select some of the articles like this. Okay, these are all saved in my library. So I go to my library. In my library, I am able to see all these articles, right? So all these can be selected. So what are all the articles I have selected? I select some of the articles here like this. Okay. And once I have selected, it can be exported. So exported to BibTeX format or CSV for which format you want, which is very much useful to write your references based on the reviews also. It's very easy. You just try it out, and you will feel that. And this is about the Google Advanced Search, how you can make use of the Google search for your research area. And you may aware about some important database called Scopus and all. Scopus is another citation database. Okay, you can go with that. Scopus is another citation database. And with this, this is another citation database. Within this database, you are able to see here, like, so what are result I want to get it from Scopus. I go to the Scopus and try for a word called nuclear search like this. And you can click here like what you are looking for. You want the particular keyword, or it is a source title in which you are looking for. That can be selected here. I click on all fields and give a search. and you can give advanced search also, and the results will be appeared here. The results can be refined based on the parameters such as it's open access document or year wise. Some people are doing research on some decade, so you people can refine your results by using the chronology of year or subject area or document type or publication type, like that. So many options they have provided. Based on that, you can limit your search and click on the relevant articles for research area. Here you are able to view the abstract and relevant documents also. Some for the thing is you are required of particular document, you can select here and click on all. Sometimes you can select and export, or select and export, or you can click on all and export. Once you click on export, it will be asking for what kind of information need to be exported for your research area. So it can be exported in this way. I can click on abstracts, click on export. In which format? CSV, RIS, or BibTeX, like that. So I'll click on NDLA format or BibTeX format like this and click on export. So it is able to export the articles like this. You are able to see all the articles, selected articles, which can be exported and it can be used for here. This is the way you are able to see the articles here. And now I will tell you how to refine results in reputed databases like Science Direct, publisher database like Science Direct, Springer, Elsevier, and all. Here the same thing. Go to Elsevier platform. So now, normally don't feel that it has to be subscribed. If it is open access article, you will get the full text article. Nothing to worry about that. Click on any word called big data, like for example. So I click on big data and give a search. So I am able to see the relevant results of big data here. And for the article which are all relevant to me and which are all having full text factors, I can select some of the articles and I can download the articles, or I can export the up to the abstract level. Here we are able to see the abstract what they have mentioned. You don't need to go through the full article here, so you can directly go to the abstract, and the abstract will give you a clear cut idea whether that is relevant to a research topic or not, and then you can give export. There are so many refined options are also available here like this. So this is the way you can extract the results from reputed publisher database, as well as the academic search engine like Google Scholar and the other citation databases such as Scopus and all. I think you are very clear about how to retrieve the articles. So I told you from where are the databases you can retrieve the literature, and in which methodology you need to adapt it. That also I told you. So try to get good results and make your results authentic, and write your literature in your own way. Thank you. Thank you so much.